Here I have INFINIX Note 30 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. To do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change sound settings, you can record device sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change image quality, you can show taps, and you can enable Do Not Disturb while recording. So to start recording, just tap on this button once and recording starts immediately. So now we can record our screen. You can also pause recording by tapping on pause button here, then you can play it again. And when you're done recording, tap on this red button, and after that this recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album called All Photos, and here it is. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording, or perform other operations from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.